Hi everyone. Today I'll be introducing the Figma preview to you in the all new strings editor. With Figma preview, we are bringing live context to translators. Um, the screenshot gets old. They are static. They don't evolve with the design. And with live Figma preview, you can really eliminate the need of updating the screenshots or even work in parallel on designs and still be able to provide context to translators. So you do not have to iterate on screenshots and add them over again. And this is where I can come in and I can share how does it work. So for example, here is this key, and I want to provide some visual context to our translators. What I can do quickly is now you would see alongside the screenshots, we have another option to provide Figma preview. You would click on it, you would see at the link here. If I just quickly go to my Figma file, this is the design that we are working on. I would just quickly copy it, go return to my strings editor, and then copy paste the link, add the link, and this would already generate the preview of the Figma file. This would enable me to give the whole context more than a screenshot, also let the design work on simultaneously, update it, and so on, and still be provided with the latest context visually. So that's really powerful. What we've also added here are the views. So for example, if you're working, there's a rectangular view for your design, there's a square view, there's a mobile view. So depending on the view that you're working on, you can adjust the Figma preview to that. And of course, if you hover over it, you would have a three-dotted menu. You can open up an in-app preview directly within the strings editor and be able to preview it on a larger screen. What else you can do? Of course, you can click on the project name from here or within three-dotted menu or on the top to go and open it in Figma Pro in your Figma file. You can of course edit the link if the link has been updated. You can of course also detach the link to the key. But yeah, this is all new Figma preview and bringing live context to the translators in our new editor.